Okay, welcome to the last chapter that we are going to practice what we have learned so far. And in this chapter we are going to write a university assignment. We include a cover page and documents and 6 paragraphs. So let's start. By starting, we are going, as remember, we already pinned our Word document here, so we are going to tap it and open the blank document. So we are going to designing a university assignment. Before going to the assignment, in the page 1 we supposed to include the cover page in order to specify some of the detail that is needed in the assignment. Okay, because we are in the University of Dodoma, we are going to design a cover page of University of Dodoma. So the cover page of the University of Dodoma, it includes some detail like the name of the university, specification of college, then we include a logo of UDOM and other detail, that is students detail and instructor of the course. So by starting, we are going to center our cursor and writing in capital letter the University of Dodoma. Okay, then what college? Say College of Informatics and Visual Education. Okay, then we're supposed to specify which department. Let's say our department is Department of Information Technology. Information Technology, and in bracket IST. Okay, this is a university detail. So as I told you before, in the university we have a font name that we are using is common, and the size of that font. So we highlight it by tap the left click button, and we are going to search for Times New Roman font. This is a Times New Roman font, and size we said that we are going to use 12, but because it's a cover page, we need to show things clear, so we are going to use at least 16. Then we bold it in order to appear very well. Then in arrangement, we said that we are going to say we arrange the University of Dodoma, then we import logo here. And do you remember we said in the first chapter that saving is very important? So we are going to save it by a shortcut, as we said, is Ctrl+S, and then we specify where we want to save it in our work. So we can say this is a lab.c. we can say it, let's say it is a proposal, then we save as a word. So we save it, then we go to the file and search for the logo of the University of Dodoma. We can use this one or this one. This logo are available, so you can drag and drop to the our cover page. Then by holding this, we can resize it in order to appear very well in our document. Then boom, we are done. So then after, we are going to figure out the student detail, and we are going to position our cursor here by aligning left and write a student registration number, because in the university we are not using much the name, but we are going to use first registration number. So we enter again to write a student, in short we say reg no, then semicolon, and let's use my T number is T21-02-433. Then another detail to include, let's include a student's name. Then as usual, semicolon, I write my name as example, Michael Dominic, and then we are going to include the course code. Every course has a special code, so we are going to include it. Course code, double dot, then let's say CS 211. Then another thing is course name. This is a course code, so we are going to include a course name. Course name, double dot, this one, double dot. They say we are called that course is a final year project. Okay, from which program? My program is I'm a diploma student, diploma in education technology. And what type of assignment is it? Is assignment, okay, assignment type, okay, this let's say is individual, okay, let's say it's a group assignment, okay, let's say it's an example, or we can use an individual. Then the last thing we are going to include is instructor name or lecture name, and let's use our supervisor name is in instructor name, then is, let's say Madam Glory Lema. Yes, and this is how we write it. So if we zoom out in order to see our documents, as you see, we already filled the detail, but we are going to make it look more attractive than. So we are going to unbold this detail in order to appear in professional way or in good way. Okay, type of assignment. Okay, the name of our supervisor. Okay, we are going to arrange the name of the supervisor as center of the document because it's supposed to appear at the top, at the bottom, supposed to appear at the bottom. And okay, we are going to give a line space. We are not specify as we told in the basic line space between the first line and second line. As we say, the distance is 1.5. 1.5 is a standard, so we're supposed to highlight this one and specify a line space in order to appear well. Okay, and this is our cover page. Let's put this big one. Okay, we are going to use 20 and we are going to decrease our logo, minimize our logo. Okay, and this is how our cover page is going to appear. So by finalize it, let's go to the another page in order to fit some of, as we said it. Okay, let's say we want to insert a blank page. Okay, it's going to appear two of them. We're going to minimize it and as before, let's use that a learning paragraph. Okay, let's say we want 5/5 page, and let's say 6,6, then bracket. Boom, we have already have our work here. Then as the university standard, we are going to highlight our document and to specify the font size and other stuff. Okay, we are going to set as a Times New Roman, but the size of assignment is supposed to be 12 and line space 1.5, and we are not supposed to bold it, so this is how it appear. Let's use 100. Okay, and this is our assignment. As you've seen, there is no grammar error, so we are not going to correct anything. But before you submit, you can preview your document. You can view it. This is a print layout, as I told you before. Okay, let's say how to print your document, and this is a print layout, how it's going to be look like. Let's say we are going to read it. Let's say we are going to read it, and this is how we can preview assignments. Like we want to read it by pressing that. Okay, we can use this arrow and we can preview our document like a book. Okay, and this is the end. So to get back, we are going to view, then we go back to the edit documents, and this is all our document. Let's say this document we want to share it in the web, so we are going to check in the web how it's gonna be look like, and this is how our documents is going to be look in a web layout. So because we have already done a lot, we are going back to we're going to the print layout, and it's bent. This is a practical session, and this is how we can use a Microsoft Word to doing an university assignment. And I hope you enjoyed the course, and thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoy and learning a lot through this course. I hope you will keep in practice, because practice make perfect. So keep practice, and I'll see you in the coming another course. Yes, so thank you very much. My name is Mr. Michael. I see you there.